starting shitty because we don't have a car and we have to go back to the airport to hopefully pick up a car. But we just spoke to somebody that also rented a car there, and they told us that they canceled the reservation and now want some more money to reactivate it again. So that sucks. So we're just gonna see how that works out today. But we're not planning on spending any more money on the car, because quite frankly we couldn't do anything about the delays. And this is the other situation right now.
That's a good situation.
And this guy always sleeps and don't come out of bed.
I like sleep.
Well, you go have to get a shower, then we go get breakfast. So yeah, next shot is probably us getting some breakfast or Stijn doing something stupid. So stay tuned.
Go eat.
First time.
I hope it's good because I'm hungry.
I think it's way better than what we had yesterday evening.
Yeah, but I'm scared to expect something good now because yesterday I expected something really good when I was really hungry. So now I don't trust myself or thinking it's gonna be now.
But how many things can go wrong with a croissant?
That's true. That's true.
So we're now basically waiting for the agency to call us back for the car, and after that we have to try to find ourselves a cab or a taxi that takes us back to the OK Mobility rental service. Okay, this looks a lot better than we had yesterday.
It does.
So croissant, and I got a coffee and a cappuccino.
A cappuccino for me.
And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this, so peace out.
Okay, we finally got the car. Look, this is Chester. He's gonna be joining us.
Is er nou een video te maken?
Yeah, I am making a video.
Ja, wil je even naar buiten?
Echt even.
Ja.
He's at work in the Netherlands. Okay, so we were gonna get some magnesium so we could start climbing, but it's siesta now, so he's out for lunch and is eating. So we return in an hour and then we get magnesium and we hope it doesn't start raining, and then we're gonna go climb.
Yes, but I even have a plan for when it starts raining, because I already looked it up. There are a few spots on the lower part of the island that are always sunny, and they are saying that if it's a rainy day you should go there to climb, because mostly it's dry over there and warm.
So basically, we're gonna climb.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we had our first proper meal.
And it was good.
It was really good. It was so much better. I don't think
energized again.
I don't think we made any footage because it was so nice.
Yeah.
But the thing, we ate some sandwiches and some patatas fritos,
Potato
fries,
frito.
for the ones that don't understand Spanish, like
Look
us.
at the beast. There's the beast.
And there is our car. Yeah, we have the car as well, and it's a very pleasant car. Do you have the key?
I have the key.
Oh, en ik ben steeds niet gepist. I forgot to pee. Here is our car. This is our home for the next 2 weeks. Echt?
Check voor de beletting, hè?
Ja, wat ze zei al, dat hoefden we niet te checken.
Deze dat?
Ja.
Ja, we hebben toch
al reden.
All right, Pug. What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
You have to.
I had an accident.
With what?
I had to pee very, very badly. So I was running and then I went to the spot and then I tried to get the little weenie out and the weenie was stuck. So it was an accident on the pants. So luckily I brought the second
himself.
pants.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Yes. Well,
That's why it's called Lil Pug.
Not entirely, man. It was an accident. You know when you want to put the hose back into the garden and you turn it out, you think? No, no, no. It's
The hose back into the garden.
I don't know, man.
He thinks we have all day.
Huh?
We just want to eat and go home, and he has to do all of this. Look at him. Piss break ready.
I am piss break ready, man.
Back to the house.
It was,
There's our navigation system. So I say follow it.
I will, I will.
What are you doing, man?
I'm going to take the corner. It's very nice. Look. Oh, wait, there's a white for Volkswagen. Oh, hoe ga je zo lang gaan? Die auto valt bijna uit.
A little later.
So we're back at home. Oh, and we did some groceries. Try to keep it healthy. Except for the beers that were so low in price, we couldn't let them slide. We got some apples, we got some oat milk. These are some high protein puddings for Stijn. We got some burgers, some fake chicken, pasta sauce, chocolate milk. We don't know what this is, so we were curious. So we'll find out how this tastes like. And the mission is to make macaroni, but we forgot olive oil and ketchup, so we are going to grab the boards and head out to the mini market here in the little town.
They know really. Bro, wat heb jij ook met fucking dopjes open laten? What? Why does he leave all the fucking caps open? It takes just one hit and everything is gone, just like his laptop.
Ah shit man, you got me there. I can't believe I know it.
Where did you came before?
This? Ah, here's the olive oil. Perfect. Do we have like a basket?
Yeah, let me see.
Ah, perfect.
Ja, 16,57. Gracias.
Can you make it 17? It's okay. Yeah.
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Yes.
Adiós.
Adios.
Adios.
Oh, yeah, the lady was so happy. I only gave her
With
what, like
50
80 cents or something? Yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna give her €2. I have 150 in my pocket that I'm not gonna use.
All right.
For the car.
Yeah.
Because it was almost gone.
We still need to work a bit on the ollies.
I think you would have wished that you would have left it open now. Yeah.
You have to pick the lower code.
Yeah, I know.
You emergency lock that and never getting in again. It's like a 10 letter code, I don't know why. Bro! I do the first try.
Why doesn't it work?
Wait.
Okay, wait. I did it. You put it in. 265.
Yeah, wait.
What the fuck is this?
Not another problem again. Alright, we'll be back any second.
Status update.
We are inside.
We're back.
I really got a full bag of groceries for 16 euros. That's unbelievable, man. It's so unbelievable. No, look.
Yeah. Put this on charge.
Queso.
Put on charge.
Why you got queso de mezcla semocurata?
Because I need tosti.
Jamon. Sponge. Croquant.
Why are you speaking of me?
Oh yeah. Buy a bit. Pepper.
Another cap of the bottle.
So.
You animal.
I am so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Ketchup. Dishwasher soap. And look, we even got some olive oil. So I'm gonna make some pasta. Alright, cooking with Puck. Alright, I forgot to record, of course, but look, grab yourself. I'm making a little mix of onions and garlic and some olive oil, extra virgin. That's very important because that means the olives are the best quality and have the best taste. Also, tomatoes are diced and ready. Unfortunately, I don't have all the spices I would like to use, but I have the basic ones. And in Italia, these are basically the only spices you need. Peperoncino,
Basilikum.
oregano.
Also.
Yes. Yeah, that's the little update. I'm gonna update you with. I need to boil some water for the pasta. La pasta. Update. We're gonna add the vegan burger, tomatoes, onions, garlic, as the pepper and salt. And then we add macaroni.
Alright. Done eating. It was delicious. Good job, Chef Puck.
It was really nice.
So I think it is time for my delicious dessert.
Pudding.
Pudding.
Pudding. Put the pudding in the pudding.
And then